Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Stock Pivot Pre-Market Analysis. Let's start with S&P 500 straight into right in this area. All right. So we had this big candle, which we were looking for the sell-off. We have this long wick, which has a rejection of the 50 EMA on a 4-hour time frame. This is like the analysis valid for next 7 to 10 days. What we are looking at, the rejection of 50 EMA one time, two time, three time, four time. Every time the market is holding the 50 EMA. So what we are looking at, we are looking for one bounce in the stock, okay, right in this area, 675, 674 area, and then the market will sell like hell, okay. So the market will push up. The market is trying to hold this area. That's a good sign right here. Market will push one more time, create a bull trap right here. This is where the bull trap is, above 672. This is the area that the bull trap, and then the market will tank, and it can tank from 674 straight into 651. That's the kind of drop we are looking at, approximately about 2.5%. Okay, so 674 will be taking a short position without exception. We want the market to go up from here, and then we'll be taking a short position for 31st of October. Okay, 31st October, very critical, high negative GEX data. All right, moving forward to QQQ. This is, I highlighted yesterday. I clearly mentioned there is a symmetrical triangle, first breakout. This box was drawn as a bull trap, and exactly this is what happened. The price of breakout went in the bull trap and sell off. Again, you will see the price goes back in the bull trap and sell off. Okay, the price can easily fall 582, 580 area right here at the previous low of this one. The price will again retest here and then sell off, but sell off is imminent. Okay, 31st of October, sell off is imminent. Before that, market will try to pump and then tank. Moving forward to QuantumScape, how this shit cannot tank when right from here at $19, I have been saying I will buy at 11.17. We are in wave B, expanding demand insider on number one, small demand, sharp demand upside. Yesterday the pump came and someone asked in the group, it's pumping, and I said have patience, this will fail. And right here we have the failure of this entire pump. What will happen? There is nothing can stop this stock to come to 11.70 right at this particular candle, closing of this particular candle right here. Nothing. There is, even if they revolutionize the entire battery industry, still the price will come here. Okay, and you need to understand, it's not just the news, it's just not the revenue. What's wrong with the Amazon today? Why Amazon stock is down? This is how market works. No matter how good product, no matter how much revolutionizing product you have, stock will tank sooner or later, and that's the game the market always play. Okay, moving forward to expand, this is what we are looking at. Closing of this particular candle is interesting to us. Netflix. Okay, so we are looking at this one right at the closing of this particular candle, 20.64. This wave one, wave two, closing of this candle is our buy target. 20.64 is clearly mentioned right in this area. 20.64 will be selling put, short selling the put and collecting the premium at the money put for 18 June 2026, and then let the stock bounce up all the way to 24 and we'll exit the trade. This is what going to happen. Closing of this particular candle right in this area, which is 9th of October candle, 24.12. This candle will be our target from here. Once we have the bounce from here at this particular candle, we will have a break of structure. Right at this candle, we will have a change of character at 21.98. After that, 21.98, little retracement like this one, which means the 50 EMA retest right here. Let me give you that. It's here. Where is that gone? Where is my tool gone? Ooh. Something is missing on the trading view here. So, all right, here we go. So, all right. So what will happen right here? Retest this, bounce up here, then retest 50 EMA from the top as a support and bounce like this. So this is the kind of the price action you are looking at. Okay, we will have a positive angle right here. The first positive angle means the trend confirmation right in this area. So this right here and right this. Okay, so this is the kind you will this is the kind of price action you will see. Price up, down, do not take the equal low right here, bounce, starting bouncing up, cross the 50 EMA. First time we have already retested the 50 EMA, means next time we will cross through the 50 EMA. No more rejection on the 50 EMA. So go up, cross through, retest from the top, exactly like this one, like this wick came back to 50 EMA, retest and then bounce back 2412 area equal to this candle, the trend will end and then the drop will start again. All right, moving forward to Amazon. This is the stock that everyone should have without exception. Exactly, I just told you something. The price will break out and retest 50 EMA. See that price breakout, 50 EMA retest, and again we started bullish. The price will break out from here. This is the kind of price action you will see on Xpeng. So price will go up, cross through this, retest, come back, and then bounce right here, right here. Go up, retest, bounce. Moving forward to BBI. Yesterday, I clearly mentioned this is what my entry will be. We have a short put on this one. We have collected the heavy premium and we'll continue holding our trade. We have the price spin at the bottom. Wave A, B, C has completed from here. Wave A, B, and C. Wave C of A. This is A. So from here, the price will bounce back into 846 at this spread candle, opening of this spread candle right here, 860, 850 area. Okay, which is also the Fibonacci retracement right in this area, 846. This is where the price is going, and from 846 then again we will sell. Okay, how much after that we will sell? This is what you can take. Wave A length from body to body right in this area. So this box will repeat right 846. This is where the next bottom is at 611 something. Okay, let's say plus minus $6. And this price action, it's support clearly right in this area. Okay, right here. So all these 2 points will be taken down after this bounce. So $2 bounce from here, then sell off, take down these both liquidity right here, stop loss hunt right here, and then this will be the bounce at $6, roughly $6 and a few cents. But from here, the current trend is upside $2.846. We will exit all the trade and then we wait for the price to come to $6 and then we'll be taking an next entry. Moving forward to Soundhound, when we took the exit right in this area, this is the last leg we traded right here. We bought it right here at 15 area, 1551 was our buy, and 1739 was our exit right at this particular candle. When I pointed this is called exit. We took the exit here and then the tank. We have not traded this entire run since 2nd of October. We let it go. Okay, but we have a same setup, very similar. So like BBAI, the stock will bounce from here towards equal high right in this area right here, which is 20.17. So roughly you are looking about $2.50 on this one, about 10% bounce from here. Recovery, what's the confirmation that, okay, what I'll be buying at? I will not be buying at this price. I'll be buying tomorrow before the market close. So what will happen? Wave A, B, C, D, E down means after this candle we will sell off tomorrow. There is one more sell off left, so I will not be jumping to buy today. I'll be waiting for 350 3 o'clock and 50, like 350 tomorrow before the market, 10 minutes before the market close right here. So one more drop, okay, right in this area. How do we know there will be a drop? You see these two green candle, insider demand, and now it's one, means weakening insider demand, means seller will still be active, still be heavy on this one. So one more day, 1656 was our price target. This box was drawn that we will buy in this area. Price has hit our price target. We did not get the entry, but we'll get this entry again. The price will retest. Okay, and we'll be taking a position tomorrow, not today. Moving forward to BMNR. This is the position you want. Everyone want to have a position in this one. We have a multiple bottom right here. One time right here, second time here, third time here, fourth time here. Okay, multiple bottom in a same area and long wick, long wick, long wick, long wick, long wick. So every time it's coming to this area, the buyer jumps in. That shows the point of interest for the buyer. Means every time price fall to 47, 48 area, the buyer is jumping in. Every time they're pushing the price higher every single time. So that's why we have a position here. Any shake off here, any shake off here. Okay, this is the bear trap. Do not fall for that. If any price drop comes into 41 area, anything, I don't know how much it will drop here, okay, because we have a multiple bottom, we are at the support. But any sell off, like fake sell off, okay, 1%, 2%, 3%, do not fall for this trap. This is total bear trap right in this area. Stock is bullish. Stock has to recover from here, head back into 56.10, 56 area right in this area, even 60 area. So between 56 to 60 area, this will be the next bracket of upside. So from here to here, this box is the next price target right from here. Okay, so any sell off on this one is fake. Same way like QQQ, we had a bull trap. BMNR, we will have a bear trap right here. The price may fall suddenly and the next day it recover. Okay, so continue holding your short put 2x, 4x, and 8x. Good position right in this area. If you don't have a position, you can still open the same trade in the Discord. Moving forward to NEO, we have opened the position at 685, still holding 2 cent green. We'll continue holding that. Nothing to do with 2 cent. We'll continue holding our trade. The price is right at the point of control line. So we are good to hold our position. We are looking around $8 to exit, and then we'll be out of the trade. Okay, so there is a bounce coming from here. We will hold the trade on this one. Moving forward to bull buy and hold stock, it will take few weeks before the next bounce comes. So continue holding your position. Do not panic on this one. You don't panic after the from 16 to 10, like 60% correction on this stock. Okay, not 60, let's say 40%. Yeah. Yes, about 40% correction. This is not the point you panic. This is the point that you buy. Even if you have a position, you buy more. You short the put, you do something, you buy the long call. Some action must be taken when the price is here. It will not stay here. Okay, moving forward to coin. This is the perfect setup. Price sell off. Exactly, if you look at here, look, the price gone up, down, double top, and then sell off. What will happen now? Reverse this entire thing here. This entire thing, just to understand. What do you see here? Price shoot up, down, double top, reverse. What will be the reverse of this one? Price down, up, double bottom, bounce. Simple. There's no mathematics here. Okay. We are at the trend line, multiple point touch right here. Point number 1, point number 2, point number 3, point number 4. Price is bullish. Any shake off here will be the bear trap right in this area. Right in this area. This is the bear trap here. So stock is bullish. We should have all trade upside on coin. No downside trade. Any sell-off, it will be fake. And the price will bounce back right away. So there is nothing to worry. You don't have to be bear on the coin here. Moving forward to circle, very similar. Sell-off, another sell-off, bounce, equal low, down, upside. So we are bullish on circle. The price will go up from here. Very similar setup like coin. Moving forward to core view. This is what I was looking at. When the stock was trading at 150, I clearly mentioned it has a lot of downside. It has a lot of downside. Okay. So what will happen? From 150, we fall back to 114. And if you remember, our first price target was 118, 119 area. Right here, we were looking at this one, 119. So we got extra $4 sell-off. What will happen? Right here, we will see a little bit of retracement back into 130. The price will not continue selling off like this one. Okay, so there is a real possibility for the price to come back to 130 to 137 point of control line and then sell off again. So from here, you will see the recovery. This wick is definitely the bottom. This wick, this particular candle, this one is definitely the bottom candle. This one, this wick right here. Okay, so from now you will see the recovery into this area, 130, anywhere from 130. There is a possibility of 50 EMA rejection. If we cross through, then we'll go to 137 Fibonacci retest and then fail. But eventually the price will fail at 137 area. It's not continue that, oh, 137, then it go to 150, then it go to 180. That's not the case here. This is just a relief, a rally of the sell-off, means first lower high point right in this area. You need to know this thing. This will be the lower high point, 1, 2, 3. Again, the price will come here and sell off. Okay. Moving forward tomorrow, we are at the trend line. So when the price was trading right here at 23 area, 22.59, that's where we took the exit. 22.59 and 22.09, that's where we took the exit. Around 22 plus we took the exit. Since then we were waiting for the retracement. This drop, we knew it. This is wave A, ellipse, wave B. From this candle to this candle, this was the clear ellipse, and then wave C. From there, we were waiting for 1859, and yesterday we took the entry on Mara, and we'll continue building our position all the way to 1723. Any drop is a grab. We will grab this. Okay, 1850, we started the position yesterday. Any grab in this area, the first trend line right here, 1859, we took the position, and right in this area. This entire box, I'll be continuously buying. So 1859, the next I'll be buying around 1760. Again, I'll be buying at 1723. This is the more it dropped, more I will buy in this area. I will continue buying this. Okay. So we are in the back in the buy zone. You continue buying on this one, building your position this area. On the MSTR, despite the stock is selling off, we are still bullish. We are still the part of the bullish trend. Okay. The price sell-off went up, down. This is the first positive angle right in this area. This is the lower high point, sorry, higher low point. This is the first higher low point. As long as we are holding the closing of this candle, which is 275 to 76 area, as long as we hold this price, we are good. But to make a bullish move, we must reclaim 298.20. Staying below 298.20 is not good for this stock. Okay, if we reclaim 298.20 and start bouncing upside, then we can be 60 area. Okay, right at the closing of this particular candle right here, which is 356.35. Okay, 356 area. If we don't reclaim 298.20 fast enough, then we will squeeze between this 20 area, 276 and 298. The price will stay sidelined in this area for a while, okay, before the breakout comes. So means it will start forming the base in this area. Means buyer and seller, they both agree that this is the fair price for the MSTR, which is 276 to 80 area. The price will start forming the base, and then eventually, few weeks down the line, it will have a breakout. But if we claim 298.20 quite fast, let's say tomorrow, day after, or next week, then we will continue the bullish momentum. If we don't claim 298.20, we will become sideline in this area. Moving forward to Mayo, every time it dropped to 1.06, we are a buyer. At 1.06 and below, every time it goes to 120 and up, we are seller. Right now, we are holding our position. We'll continue holding this one. Moving forward to Oscar, we have a short put on this one. Perfect entry right in this area. Yesterday, if you pay close attention, this box was drawn. When the price was right here, I clearly told you this big wick on the sell side. This is the liquidity swap. The price will come here again and will sell off. And that's what exactly happened. Yesterday, the price was here, 22, right, came back in this area, upside, and right away sell off. So when you identify this VSA candle, spread candle with a long wick, that's where the seller are sitting, and we already knew it, that this is where they will sell. But again, we are back in the buy zone, okay, right in this area. Same way, this wick on the upside is a sell, this wick on the downside is a buy, this wick, okay. So every time the price comes to 18 area, 18.20, 18 plus minus, you buy. Every time it goes to 21 plus, you sell. This is the $3 bracket that you need to trade. And if you look at, the price has been zigzag pattern, up, down, up, and you will see this repeated behavior right in this area, again, something like this, okay. So you will see this behavior quite some time right in this area, zigzag pattern, sideline market from 18 to 21. Moving forward to Rivian, buy and hold. We are at the trend line. There is nothing to worry about. This stock always trade between 13 to 17 range. There are two boxes on this one, from 11 to 13 and from 13 to 17. Right now, we are from 11 to 13 box. So it can literally drop to 1150 area and then come back to 13. We have a covered call on this one for 31st of October, which will expire worthless. We will get the premium, and we will then again be selling the November end covered call on this one. Stay covered on this one, because when we are in this bracket between 1154 to 1356, okay, this is the bracket 1154 to 1356 precisely. We have been trading this for like hell for a few months, okay, every single time, almost a year now. Practically, we have traded multiple this leg. So from 1154 to 1356, when we are in this bracket, the only way to protect yourself is sell the covered call. Okay, the share won't be called away unless we break out 1356. Moving forward to HIMS, so we have again started the trade here on this one, HIMS and BMNR. We have started the trade day before yesterday. The prices will bounce back right in this area. It will come 57 before the next sell-off. The recovery has to happen right in this area. We have a golden cross coming up in next 4 to 8 hours, most likely today. And then the price, we have a pointer right here, the bullish confirmation. The price will go up from here. Okay, and if you look at, we closed at 47.46, now trading at 47.95, means 50 cent upside, which is 1%. So it's good. The stock is green today. Moving forward to SMCI, nice drop. This is what we were looking at. When the price goes here, okay, it has an upside. SMCI has an upside, but look at this one. Yesterday, I drawn this channel. This was the yesterday pre-market video. The price will, no matter where the price will go, if it goes outside of the channel, it will come back. It goes here, came back. It will stay here. This is information of bull flag right here. From this is the pole. This green candle, this entire green run is your pole. Now the stock is forming a bull flag, and you will see that. And this is what happens today. Look at this one. Okay, this big candle was the confirmation of multiple touch point in the bull flag. Also take down this liquidity right here in this wick. But this confirmation of big wick is also the confirmation that the stock will not drop below this candle right here, 46. It will not drop below 46. So how do we trade this? You will mark here two different points. One, this candle, and one at the closing of this candle. Okay, so anything you can buy right in this area at 46.88, you should be jump in right away for the buy button. Okay, and if you are buying at 46.44, your exit price is right here within this candle, which is 53. So that's like $7 candle. You need to be very careful in this particular candle. Okay, right now if you look at, the price is going up. Okay, but I can guarantee you price will come back. Moving forward, few line price will come back for this liquidity, retest this liquidity somewhere like 50% of this or 60% of this one right in this area. The price will come in between of this box without exception. Not today, few days down the line. So like this one, this green, like you see this, like a couple of days green in between, and then retest. Same here, couple of days green and then retest here. Price will 100% come back to this wick to take the liquidity. And if to understand this, look at this wick. This was the biggest wick. So from here, which was on 10th of October, all the way to 16 October, 6 days, the price was green, up, down, up, down, up, down. And what happened on this particular candle? On 17th October, this wick came into this wick, overlapping right here. Similar situation, 5 to 7 days from now, you will see the wick down in this box. Even if you are bullish or you are thinking SMCI will go to moon or Mars or Astromeda, or it doesn't matter, or black hole, I don't care. The wick will come here without exception. Nothing can save it. Price will go up, little bit bouncing up, and then eventually one day you will see a sharp wick, and before the earning. So earning is 4th of November. Before 4th November, you will see the wick right in this area. And then earning, most likely earning, I'm positive on this one. I'm expecting a bounce on the upside. Moving forward to SoFi, stock has a lot of upside. Probably the first price target is $32. Right now we are in bearish trend. 25.10 is my area that I'll be buying at this trend line. I'll be waiting for this one. Look at the wick. This long wick, up, 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 down, and the wick came precisely within this wick. Now, exactly this wick is our price target, and the right here. So 25.71, 25.74, that's the area that I'm interested to buy. Till then, I will stay clear. Okay. So 25.74, this is the area that I'll be targeting for an entry right in this area. Okay. Moving forward, RDT, DT, we have a call spread. We will continue holding, or most likely we will adjust the OTM leg today for the profit, and then we'll readjust the trade today. At the market open, I'll be posting the RDT trade adjustment alert. So we are good here. We have our second leg is in a solid profit. We'll be adjusting that. Okay. Overall stock is bullish. Moving forward to RZLV, we have the short put. We have collected the hell of premium on this one. 438 is our break even on the short put, and right now trading at 433. So just a 5-cent loss on a per stock. We are good to hold our position. We are looking for the bounce towards 664, 660 area, right at here in this one, which is 667. So we are good to hold our RZLV short put. Moving forward to WIX. WIX has been sidelined. Yesterday, the market had a deadly combination. The WIX was green and the S&P 500 was green. And in the morning, I alerted in the Discord that's a deadly combination. And right after a few minutes, the market started selling off. Both things, VIX and the S&P 500, cannot be green and cannot be red. You need to be very careful. They are basically opposite of each other, and they has to be opposite of each other. If the VIX will go down, the volatility will crush, the market will go up. If the volatility increase, the market should go down or fluctuate like a wild swing. Not necessarily the market should sell off, but there should be a wild swing. Like, market suddenly goes up and suddenly tank and then again recover. Means that when the volatility rise, the market should fluctuate a lot. And if the market is staying 0.5% green and not fluctuating, it means there is a problem. Okay, so you need to be careful. So we are retesting the 50 EMA. So most likely the VIX will drop one more time here. S&P 500 will go 674 and then the market tank. Moving forward to QUBT, this is the kind of stupidity going on in the market people don't understand. They are celebrating the $10 million investment in each company from the government. 10 million on a 12 billion company. What is 10 million on a 12 billion market cap? Do you think the company doesn't have money? They have a 14 billion market cap. Even if the government backing of 10 million is nothing, it's a piece of shit and garbage, total garbage. Every pump on these one, I'll be selling. But I won't be shorting the stock here just because it's bounced here 10% and I'll be shorting. No, I will let them come to the lower high point. Like on the QUBT 2127, I'll be taking a short position. 90% of quantum computing company, these bullshit, QUBT, QBTS, IONQ, RGTI will go bankrupt in 2026. And those who have been trading enough will remember CLOV, CLOV, SOFI, LSPD, PaySafe, QuantumScape, all what happens to these companies, SPCE, the Space Galactic, what happened to those companies back in 2021? Exactly the same stupidity. SPCE, those who remember, zero revenue, no flight to space and nothing. And stock was trading for 14, 15 billion. What happened? Eating dust now since 4 years. And this is what will happen to these companies. 10 million, 8 million revenue, annual revenue, and you are claiming a $14 billion market cap, they'll be eating dust for years, I'm telling you here. Okay, so make sure you short this garbage every time. 50% of them will go bankrupt next year. In between of April to September next year, all this QBT and all this, not everyone, I don't know which one will, but few of them will go bankrupt and they'll file Chapter 11 for 100% sure. Oklo, very similar. Or anyone, when you see the retail investor pounding their chest like a gorilla, you know that you need to short that stock. Start trading against the herd. That's the first step to win in the stock market. When you see everybody's sharing a screenshot, oh, I did Oklo 100 million, I did 1 million, I did 200,000, be my guest, we will tank them to zero. Okay, so right here, learn when the, again, you will see the price of Oklo recover from here to 165, 170 area, right at the closing of this particular candle, 165. Again, you will see these gorillas pounding their chest. Oh, Oklo is the best stock. No, bring it to 170 and we'll see it. Okay, ready to short this. So very similar situation. Back again, showing upside, QBTS, let them bring back into 46, 90, 50 area. Again, you take the short position. So what you are learning from here? Supply is expanding. This supply is smaller, bigger, bigger. Once the price goes to 50 area, 46, 90 area, there will be even bigger supply. The next sell-off will be like this. Not like this. It will be even bigger. So let them bring to 46, 90, 47, 50 area and then take the short position without exception. And there will be a bigger supply. They will tank like hell. Okay, 8 million revenue, 10 million from the government and having a market cap of 15 billion, not going to survive, not in this world. Because that's what the short seller is having an eye all the time. So right here, very similar situation, IONQ. Most of the stock you will see they are in wave B. 90% of people will not see that what's going on. We are heading for lower high point, and they will tank again. Equal of this one. Up from here, 72, tank again to 33. Same. QBT, again, this is wave B right here. Oklo, wave B going on. All these bounce which is coming now will tank again. They're all garbage. Same goes to our RGTI. Again, wave B recovery, first lower high, and the market will tank again. The top of all these quantum computing is already on 15th of October. They will not survive. Okay, moving forward to Tesla. Tesla, yesterday I tweeted that it will tank 6%. Right here is the result. Tesla is a stock of $300, 299.98. Anything above is overvalued. Okay, 299.98. Okay, so stock has to come back to $300. Anything above 300, 400, 500 is all bullshit. 400, 450, 500. Stock can go, yes, it can go to 514 area. Okay, 514 is the top of the stock. But if it goes to 514, I'll be taking a short position. Right here, I will not be trading on this one because I have a big position in a TSLA. SL2X, yes, Solana 280 is still possible. Yes, it's possible if you have a position entry around 168, 178. You'll be good to buy around 168 area. Moving forward to Tesla, this is what we were looking at. This is a fake breakout sell-off. Okay, Tesla is done. Netflix. What I will do on the Netflix, we have a price target of 1069. The box is here on the chart, which was drawn right in this area, right since 3rd of October. We have this box on the chart. Okay, those who are getting excited in this area, fine, it's good for them if they are excited. Price will come back to 1069.85. That's the area we are looking at for the next entry. So if you have a position, you are in profit, exit. If you are at loss, buy the merit put. If you are holding the share 100 in a sequence of 100, 200, 300, sell the covered call and wait for 1069.85 to close all the covered call merit put for profit, and then you exit. Right at this drop, what will happen? The price will bounce a little bit right here. You will see the bounce. Retest this SR interchange. This is the support, which will eventually become the resistance now, right in this area. So there is a possibility of price bouncing back into 1170 and then sell off. Okay. Eventually, overall, long term, like 1 year down the line, 2 year down the line, the stock is bullish. There is a hell of upside. But short term, there is a lot of bearish. I will not be taking any position until I reach 1069. I'm very clear on this one. All right. Okay. All good. And market is open. Thanks so much for tuning in. That's all for today. Thanks. Bye.